we are in Helen, Georgia, on the way to Wookies in the Woods. I would have been filming more on the way up here, but honestly, I just didn't really feel like it because I can't listen to music because copyright and stuff. Evan said he's getting donuts, so I'm excited to see what those donuts look like. Hopefully they're pretty good, but he said they were like hand making them in front of him or something, so that's kind of neat. Dude, it is beautiful out here, and look at this straight ass road. I literally just want to floor it and gas it, but I have enough self-control to where I'm not gonna do that because I'm not trying to get in trouble. But oh my gosh, oh look at that shit right there. Damn! Check this out. This is with the windows cracked with the visors. There's like hardly any wind noise compared to closed. Like, I mean, okay, it's a little bit more, but the windows are down. Either way, we are 27 minutes away from meeting up with Mr. Evan. Sorry, I had to burp. Boy, it's time to find out if we got catfished. Oh, that's a GTI. Hey! I pulled up and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get catfished.
Imagine, I'm just like some weird, like.
If you were like a short blonde woman.
That'd be kind of funny.
That'd be pretty cool.
What's up, dude? This is crazy, man. This is absolutely crazy. This is super clean, by the way.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, let us chat. Look at the vlog right now. We're in a coffee shop. Bro, this is the collab right here.
We both have the same camera set up.
It's crazy.
This is collaboration of a generation. That sounds so stupid.
This is what the people on TikTok were asking for.
Yes, we made it happen. We made this shit happen.
Sitting at a coffee shop, about to go to the Miltech meet. So that's pretty cool. Miltech meet.
Miltech meet is coming up.
Yep.
I'm uploading a YouTube video, doing some last minute things. And we're gone.
We're gone. What he said.
What I say.
All right, fellas, we are headed to Tail of the Dragon with Mr. Mark 8 Evan behind us, and I'm gonna be taking it pretty easy for the first run just because I have a bunch of shit in my trunk still. Like, I have all my tools, my Instacrate with all my oil and coolant and everything in it. So I think it'd be best if I just kind of, go a little bit slower because there's gonna be a lot more weight in the rear. Evan just said, let's roll over the Wookies, so we're gonna roll to Tail of the Dragon. Where did I put my sticker at? I bought a sticker inside, I don't know where I put it. We just got to the tail over here. Oh my God, the overexposure. Mark 8 Evan, hey! It's in my glove box. We're good, boys. We're gonna head to the Miltech meet, but we gotta cross through the tail first, so it's gonna be a little bit before we get over there. Evan and I have walkie-talkies, and we're gonna be able to talk while...
Yes, we do.
We sure can, boo. sounded insane.
That one sounded nasty.
I don't know, but I think all of my footage might have got ruined by a little bit of music playing in the background.
No.
Yeah.
I had mine quiet.
I had it really quiet, but it might have gotten like just ruined a little bit.
Dude, my bag, that one turn that we went on, literally my bag just turns and dumps everything on my lap. I was like, bro, how did I not zip it up?
It happens.
Oh. I need a Porsche. Oh,
That is it.
still going.
That's insane.
Dude, that's the type of car where like you're going up the tail, and it's just like echoing all up the tail. And
Yeah.
you're gonna sit right here, and you're gonna hear him like the whole time.
Dude, that sounds insane.
Oh, header. He said what? It was headers and then just regular muffler.
A mid pipe,
Mid pipe.
headers and mid pipe.
Damn, brother.
Dude, so good.
Need
So good.
Need that. Need that.
All right, so we're about to head to the Miltech meet, I think. Yeah, because we got to go because it's like gonna end soon. So
Yeah, we're a little pressed for time here.
yeah,
Stops at 6 o'clock. It's like 3. It's almost 4 o'clock, and it's probably gonna take us like
we got to go.
30 minutes. So let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. I am inside Miltech right now.
Evan's putting his car up on the lift to get a downpipe part.
Miltech exhaust has been plugged.
Shout out Miltech.
Shout out Miltech. Damn, that was close.
Damn, yeah.
You gotta take that MBRP off on the way out. Might as well get the Miltech.
Might as well get a Miltech.
Might as well. When in doubt, Miltech it out.
That's a saying right
That is
there.
a quote.
That is a
You should give me
quote.
some money for that quote.
We'll see if we'll work with Miltech in the future. Wink.
That's the collab we really need. That is the collab we need. I want that. I think if I put it in my pocket, they would notice.
Nah. I think you can just
Walk out of here just not suspicious at all.
This is really cool.
They got some really cool stuff.
These calipers are sexy. I've been thinking about painting my calipers like a silver color.
Silver would match perfectly.
Yeah.
What you got going on.
I don't know. Y'all tell me silver or should I do like a yellow? Like a bright yellow. I feel like yellow would be tough too.
Are you guys selling like stickers and stuff like that too?
Stickers? I can just toss you a sticker if you want.
Dude, I need.
Can
a
I have one
sticker
for my
too.
toolbox?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I need
Come
some.
this way, I got you.
I need some Miltech swag, man.
It's behind the scenes here.
Little wood cabin. Come upstairs.
Y'all see this guy? Yeah, he's fucking.
Look
Doug-
at this couch. We
he's
got
the
this
Doug
really
DeMuro
nice-
of the Airbnb.
Really nice couch. Really productive desk over here. Look at this painting right here. Look at
I
that.
know who drew that.
Who
Da
drew it?
Vinci.
Da Vinci.
This place is fucking gross.
Oh, yo, that feels like actual hair. It's like an actual. It's
Ew.
like, yeah, it's an actual.
Is this
Dude,
what
there's
it's?
a fucking stink bug in the bear.
God,
There's literally a stink bug in the bear.
dude, these motherfuckers are everywhere.
Oh my god, there's another one right here.
It is fucking nasty. There's mouse shit too, in the other bedroom closet, by the way.
Kitchen over yonder.
It's hard to see, but there's mouse shit all in that corner over there. So, you know, no one came by and cleaned, and like, it's not the end of the world, but dude, it's fucking gross when you're gonna pay money to stay somewhere. You would expect it to be clean, right? Dude, we're just both like
We're
recording.
just both at the same time.
This is funny.
Yeah, that's our mansion Airbnb for Wookies in the Woods.
Yeah, the thumbnail is gonna be like a fucking castle. In the
Oh
woods.
my god, our Wookiees penthouse, our Wookiees mansion is so crazy.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Oh, and the driveway's fucked, by the way.
oh yeah, I can't
It's
even
so
show the
fun.
driveway.
It's so
You'll
dark
see
out.
that. Was today like day 0 or was today day 1?
Today's day one.
Day one.
Day 0 is the prep day.
That is true.
Okay, so
Yes.
day 1 complete. We did Tail of the Dragon twice. We got
did.
some Texas Roadhouse.
That steak was good.
Yeah, I had a fat ass burger. That
Your
shit
burger
was
looked
awesome,
fire.
Oh, it was so good. I couldn't even finish it though. Yeah, we're gonna chill. We're gonna try to get the video edited, and then we will see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of Wookies.
Day number dose.
Day number
I'm
dose.
ready.
Yes, sir. All right. Peace out, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and tell your motherfucking mom that I gave her a cookie.